Hello kids. Today we are going to see 5th class maths 10th chapter how much does it weigh second part. Okay, page number 94. Vishal's shop. Vishal has a big scrap shop. Today he has received 45 kgs of old newspaper, 26 kgs scrap iron and 8 kgs of waste plastic at his shop. Abid, what is the total weight of his collection in the day? So let us see one by one question answers. Okay, first one. So total weight of his collection today equals to, already we have seen 45 kgs of old newspaper plus 26 kgs scrap iron plus 8 kgs of waste plastic. Okay, add all these things, you will be getting the answer, that is 79 kgs. So total weight he has is 79 kgs. B-bit, Vishal paid 8 rupees for every 1 kg old paper. How much does he would have paid for 45 kgs? Okay, amount paid for 1 kg is 8 rupees. So for 45 kgs how much he should pay? That is nothing but 45 into 8. Okay, multiply 45 into 8, you will get the answer. So you will get 360 rupees. Okay, next question. Vishal paid rupees 520 for all the scrap iron that he collected. How much did he pay for 1 kg of scrap iron? So totally for scrap iron he paid 520 rupees. Okay, so how many kgs he collected scrap iron? 26 kgs. So for 26 kgs he paid 520 rupees. So 1 kg how much? That is nothing but 520 divided by 26. Okay, you do the division part yourself. Okay, already we have seen in previous classes. Okay, do the division part, you will be getting 20. Okay, so amount paid for 1 kg equals to 20 rupees. Okay, understood? If you have any doubts, you comment in the comment section, I'll reply. Okay, we'll see next question. If Vishal paid 1000 rupees for all the material given above, then how much did he pay for 8 kgs of plastic material? How much did he pay for 1 kg of plastic material? So total amount Vishal paid is 1000 rupees. Okay, and individually we have already seen. Okay, in B question and C. Okay, so amount paid for old paper is 360 rupees we got, already we have seen. Amount he paid for scrap iron 520 rupees. Okay, so for plastic material how much he has paid? 1000 minus 360 minus 520. Okay, do that subtraction, you will be getting 120 rupees. Okay, so plastic material, that is 8 kgs of plastic material. For that 8 kgs he paid 120 rupees. So for 1 kg how much? 120 divided by 8. Okay, divisions, multiplications, addition, subtraction, everything you do yourself, and here you recheck your answer. Okay, I am writing all the answers, but you do yourself, because that part is yours, because all these are basics we have already seen in starting chapters. So you do yourself and just recheck the answers here. Okay, so 1 kg plastic equals to how much? 120 divided by 8, that is equals to 15. Okay, so for 1 kg plastic he paid 15 rupees. Okay, next question. Vishal sold each of the 3 items for 3 rupees per kg more than what he had purchased them for. So how much has he earned in the day? So totally per kg 3 rupees more he sold. Okay, so purchased for some amount, and when he sold 3 rupees more he told for each and every kg, for each and every item also. Okay, so totally already we have seen there are 79 kgs, total items 79 kgs. So how much he earned? That 79 into 3 rupees you have to do. Okay, multiply that 79 into 3. Okay, so 79 into 3 how much? you'll be getting 237. Okay, so amount he earned is rupees 237. Okay, next, measure your weight. Find out your weight and the weight of 4 of your friends using a measuring scale. So write in that tabular form name and weight, how much your name, your friends' names, and their weight also you write down. And below, who is heaviest, who is lightest. Okay, this you have to do yourself. Okay, nothing to explain in this. Understood, I think. Okay, we'll go to the next topic now. At the grocery shop, a shopkeeper has 170 kg of Bengal gram dal, 450 kg of red gram dal, and 240 kg green gram dal in stock. He sells these dals in packets of 2 kg, 1 kg, and 500 grams. So in grocery shop we have seen Bengal gram 170 kgs, red gram 450 kgs, and 250 kgs green gram dal. Okay. First question. He makes 2 kg packets of red gram that he has in stock. How many packets will he have? So total weight of red gram is 240 kgs. So he makes 2 kgs packets. Okay. So 1 packet equals to 2 kgs. So how many packets for 240 kgs? So 240 divided by 2. Okay. You have to divide 240 by 2. You will be getting the answer. That is 120. Okay. So therefore total number of packets is nothing but 120 packets. Understood? Next one. He packs 80 kg of Bengal gram in 1 kg packets and 90 kg in 500 grams packets. How many packets of each weight will we have? So 80 kg Bengal gram in 1 kg packets. Okay. So each packet 1 kg. So total how many packets will be there? 80 kgs means 80 packets. Okay. So next 90 kg Bengal gram in 500 gram packets. Okay. So each packet has 500 grams. So totally how many packets? 90 into 2. That is 180 packets. So 500 grams packets are 180. 1 kg packets are 80. Okay. If you want total number of packets also I have written there. Total number of packets. What you have to do? Add both. Okay. 80 packets and 180 packets you add. Okay. You will be getting 260 packets. Okay. So, but in question, how many packets of each weight will we have? So, individually only asked. If asked combinedly, total packets means you add these two. Okay. Else you write individual. 80 packets, 180 packets. Okay. Next one. He packs 80 kg of green gram in 2 kg packets, 40 kg in 1 kg packets, and 120 kg in 500 gram packets. How many packets of each weight will we have? So 80 kgs, 2 kg packets. So 2 kg packets means 1 packet equals to 2 kgs. So like that 80 kgs he packed. So totally 80 by 2 means 40 packets you will get. Next 40 kgs in 1 kg packet means 1 packet equals to 1 kg. So totally 40 packets. Okay. Next 120 kgs in 500 gram packets. Okay. 500 gram packets 120 kgs. Okay. So totally how many packets? 120 into 2. So that will be equals to 240 packets. Okay. So individually you write all the packets. You will be getting answer 40 packets, 40 packets and 240 packets. Okay. So next topic will continue in next video. If you have any doubts, you comment in the comment section. I'll definitely clear you. I'll try to solve those everything. Okay. Thank you kids. Bye.